I don't know what happened there. I was definitely shooting him.
Come on, we gotta get over there. Don't die.
Oh my god, all the way back at C again. Why the fuck? We have D. Why would it start us at C? That's such BS. I guess that's... It's rigged. Think if I can call in the Kansas City game. Oh shit, yeah, he's outside D on the right side of the building. He's on the hill. He's actually going in probably the top floor of D from the back side.
I killed them all myself!
Nice. Oh. We saw the red.
Strafe is complete. Station out.
They're right in front of me here. They just came out of E. Fuck is he? God damn it! I got one of them, but I did not get the other. On the hilltop. No, he's hiding behind the rocks. Jesus, he's like tucked into a little crevice. He's a camper. Officially a camper. Officially a camper. I'm gonna need to throw a frag in there. Because there's no way to see him. Is it the camper? Yeah. Camper's dead. I mean, I didn't kill him, but he's not there anymore. Not that anybody knew where he was, but me. Fuck, 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 fuck. Dead. I don't even know where Hello. Is this where dead people come from? It's just so weird because we've got the most points, but we're still losing on waves. Yeah. I think we just need to slow down and let them... No, fuck! I just got sniped from nowhere. Guy was using a Mosin Nagant. It is. It takes some balls to use that in this game. Bolt action. Yeah. Yes, they do, but we have D. They really, if we kill their waves, there's nothing they can do to lose. I mean, but lose. Yeah. Yeah.
kidding me?
Reinforcements low! Fight harder here while we need this!
Contact southwest.
There's still one on the right.
Drop your weapon.
There's still one on the right. No, here he comes. Oh, God. God damn it. They died.
Contact west.
Quit fucking around, okay? Our reinforcements are getting low!
I'm gonna go way east, or northwest, rather, way north, and go around. Try to get this sniper, because I'm just, nothing good's happening where I am. Oh shit, don't let me go that far. God damn it. We're not even... I don't know. Oh, fucking hell. God damn, he's on the hillside. He just got me. I just was the last kill on our wave. Fuck, sorry. Come on, dog beer, kill this fucker. No, he's on the wrong side. Were we the reason we were losing? Was it our fault? Because I'm watching these guys play and they're just holding back and holding on to the zone, and maybe we were the ones running out and getting killed. No.
Okay, we got target.
Should we try one more to make sure it's not us, you know? Then Battlefield. Zero waves. It's down to the horse race. Oh, jeez. 2 guys left on our team. Oh shit, and they're taking D. Oh, clearing. Nice. Hey! Wow. Damn. Guess it was me. Yeah, I had 1 kill and 8 deaths. I don't think that helped. Yeah, 3. Oh, how are the insurgencies? Alright, let's see if we can...
We are moving out. Get ready.
Alright, I'll try to not be the reason we lose this time myself.
Go!
Let's get over there.
Oh, wow, look at you guys. Whoa! Jeez. Damn. You got like a Frank Zappa thing going there, Nathan. Oh fuck, they're all going in downstairs. God damn it. Oh fuck. Stop killing. God damn. No. Yeah, who's kind of a rock star.
Yalla!
Shit. That didn't go well.
Hey, this should be fun, right?
Yeah, we just... Oops, sorry. Oops, shit. They're out there.
You're not dead. I'm ready to go. They shot me!
Huh? I'm sorry, am I blocking you? Oh, okay. Oh god! Jesus Christ.
Hey! Enemy is taking D!
Oh fuck. I got killed on the stairs. Yeah.
Reloading! Keep your eyes open! I'm going! Fuck!
I don't want to say anything too loud, but I'm sneaking around to see. Because tired of getting killed at D. This is such an obvious move, though. I can't believe that. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, we lost. It won't let me go all the way. That's bullshit.
Observer, come here. I need one observer that I solicit that one helicopter.
It won't let me get. Where the fuck is he? Oh my god. I know, but it wouldn't let me in. God damn.
Okay, I'm here.
What the hell are you doing? Where are you
Yeah, see, it won't let me go in the. Must be above.
Okay, we're at sea.
Ah, fuck. They kill me. Wasn't anybody around. They killed me. Sorry to report. It was a fool's errand. I just thought I'd actually get something done.
Shit! Sniper! Fuck! Sniper! Contact northeast! Loading up!
Oh, saw that.
Go, 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 go! Spread out!
The sniper, fucking. I know, I got in there, but then I died. I did, but then I got shot.
Нашего подбили! Contact north!
Oh, fuck. Look at cheese. I just died. Kind of close. Yeah, we are. They just killed us. In the basement?
Damn it! They're empty!
This door? Okay, okay. 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 At 40, 36. Where is he? Yeah, I'm inside the house. I just can't quite see him. Oh, wait, there he is.
I'm changing my magazine.
I'm chasing him, but I didn't kill him. But I got him. He's gonna relocate. Okay. Oh shit.
Stop shooting! I'm reloading! Shot helicopter incoming!
Ah, fuck! They sniped me from the rock. Yeah, we're in that. They're in that rock zone too. That. Oh Jesus! In here too. I'm blocking, but I can't. I don't know where he is. Yeah, I got a guy. I don't know where he is. He's probably upstairs. Oh, okay. They got him. They got him.
Grenade out! Jesus Christ!
Grenade. We're losing D now. I'm in here, but I don't know where he is.
Copy. Stay back or get those masks on.
Here comes the grenade!
There he is. Oh, they got him. Good. Okay, 20 seconds. Oh shit! Teammate. God damn it. Oh, thank God. Woo! Woo! Very nice. Yeah, damn. Yeah? Alright, alright, alright. Alright, alright. Alright. Let me know, give me the